Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting straight into Roblox and making sure chat is available. Open the game and the chat console now. Once done, invoke Windows Emoji Picker with Win Plus or Win Plus to bring up symbols immediately. Make sure your account's chat permissions aren't restricted because that blocks emoji input. You should also check keyboard language and that no IME is forcing different input. This avoids surprises when you try to paste or type an emoji in chat. Now you'll add emoji to a message. Open the chat box, press Win Plus. To pull up the emoji grid and click or press Enter to insert, then send normally. If an emoji shows as a blank box, copy the character from the picker or a text source and paste. Roblox will often accept pasted Unicode where direct insertion fails. For places that block Unicode like some name fields, switch to classic text emoticons or short descriptors, so you're finish by sending a test message to a friend or a secondary account to verify the emoji renders for others as expected. If recipients see empty boxes, make sure Windows and the Roblox client are updated, because outdated font/Unicode support causes missing glyphs. Also check your keyboard layout and disable any third-party IMEs that might intercept Win Plus. Switching to the default English layout often solves input conflicts. If problems persist, copy-paste a known Unicode emoji as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.